Welcome to a bowl of happiness. Today we are making だし巻き卵, which is not exactly a bowl dish, but it's one of everyone's favorite egg dishes in Japan. 今日はだし巻き卵をご紹介。卵が3つ余っていたので、調理担当者がちゃちゃっと作っただし巻き卵。でもだし巻き卵はシンプルながら実はとっても難しいですよね。私は未だにマスターできていません。卵焼きも美味しいけれど、ふわっとだしの香るだし巻き卵はまた格別です。People often say that in Japan, you can judge the quality of a restaurant by the quality of their dashi maki tamago. It's a rolled omelette that makes for a great benchmark because it's not only ubiquitous, it takes an enormous amount of skill and experience to produce a good dashi maki tamago. Dashi maki tamago literally translates to Dashi Rolled Egg. As the name implies, dashi maki tamago contains almost as much dashi as there is egg, creating a magical suspension of liquid with the egg, making each bite melt away into a pool of flavorful dashi soup. Heat up the pan over medium heat. Oil the surface and pour in a thin layer of the mixture in the pan. Tilting to cover the bottom of the pan. When the egg is half cooked, roll up the omelette, starting on the front side of the pan. It can be harder to roll dashi maki tamago because of the extra moisture.The egg mixture tends to stick to the pan more, so it is a good idea to oil the pan often during cooking. Add the second layer, tilting the pan to spread the egg mixture, and wait until the thin layer had cooked a little. But be careful not to overcook it, and gently roll into a log. And you repeat this process until you use up all the egg mixture.だし巻き卵の作り方のコツは、火を強くしすぎないこと、卵液を入れるタイミング、半熟状態で巻き始めること、そして卵液を入れたら端を卵焼きの下に入れて持ち上げ、下にもしっかり卵液を流し込むこと、また油をこまめに引くことです。If you don't feel comfortable using chopsticks to roll the eggs, just use a spatula. Just be very gentle touching the surface because those layers can be very delicate. And now, remove the egg log onto the sushi mat. Roll up lightly. You can skip this process if you cannot get your hands on the mat. 焼き上がったら巻きすに包んで形を整えます。 To serve, slice the だし巻き卵 and garnish with a mound of grated daikon topped with a splash of soy sauce. 大根おろしを添えて召し上がれ。I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. We introduced delicious Japanese homemade dishes that are easy to make. Thank you very much for watching and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. 簡単で美味しい料理をご紹介しています。お気に召しましたら高評価ボタン、チャンネル登録をお願いします。